Hi. Nature? Nature. Okay, don't you feel better when you go outside and you breathe some fresh air and go hiking and just being outside and just connecting to the plant, like even like a beach, even, you know what I mean? Like everybody is so cooped up inside. Remember when they wanted us all to stay inside and not go anywhere and not converse with anyone? Well, it seriously made me feel pretty like uncomfortable the whole entire freaking time that was going on, because I was like, they're literally like taking away and telling me that I have to stay inside, and nobody wanted me to come to their houses anymore and do what I do to make money. So I kind of had to invent my own little job at the time, and I was very resourceful, and I was like literally like mowing people's yards, like trimming bushes, all sorts of stuff all over freaking town in order to just like pay my mortgage and pay my bills, because it's like I really had nothing else to do. I've always just enjoyed trees and birds and the sky. I mean, think about it. Everything that's free that you can enjoy, because it's just nature and the earth, and appreciating it, and just taking it in and absorbing it, and just being like, oh my gosh, what a beautiful planet we live on. I mean, I'm gonna say that Gaia, our beautiful mother Gaia, has a natural order of things, and we need to trust that, and we need to kind of stop going against what that natural ecosystem is, that is already going on, that has been going on for many years before any of us even existed, and will also be going on even after all of the humans are fucking dead on the planet. Like, I believe, I mean, there's so much to it that it's almost like so much that I can't even I can't even explain it, because it's almost like so beautiful and amazing. I mean, I think about this too. It's like, think about, okay, so I want to bring more awareness to what exactly we are doing when we are cutting down trees, and what we are, as I'm messing with this paper towel that I choose to recycle and probably use like 3 or 4 times before I throw it away. I really try not to use paper towels and that sort of thing, and try to use things that we can wash. Other things too, when they try to fear us into different water shortages, and scaring us into, we're the problem here. You know what I mean? Like, humans have created all of everything that we are dealing with right now. It's man, we've created this, and it is also our responsibility to become aware enough and mindful enough as to what we're doing. What are we doing here? Go outside, breathe some freaking fresh air, and ask yourself, what exactly am I doing? Am I part of the problem or am I part of the solution? And I'm going to be planting a bunch of trees. I don't like to talk about what I'm going to do, but I have a lot of different dreams for different things that there's already plans going, there's already different things. I also think that when you have a dream and once you start visualizing that and then, believing in it, things will start to click and manifest on its own, and the different pieces to the puzzle that you need will start showing up. It's all about putting that intention out there and becoming aware of what you are consuming and what you are not consuming, and just trying to do a little bit better.